Okay, I'm back. And there's the eagle. This little duck spoiled him again, though. So now he's gotta float around. Wait for them to come up. And they're hiding pretty good right now. They're a beautiful, graceful bird, aren't they? Little ducks are going to have to pop up pretty soon. I don't know how long they can stay under. Okay, there he is in the tree.